own the restaurant.
So everyone's been asking me, when are you gonna put the hood on? When are you gonna put the hood on? When are you gonna put the hood on? Today is the day. We're putting the hood on. It takes 4 bolts and it's on. So it's super easy. I just been putting it off. I don't know. I had a lot going on. Are you ready for this unveil?
Yeah.
I haven't seen either. I wanted to save it for the live reaction. We don't fake nothing around here. I saved it in the plastic wrap. So you guys thought I was gonna go with a stock hood, but nah. We went with the full custom Sigla Designs carbon fiber vented hood. Ooh, look at. A little peep. All you guys out there with C8s, if you want this hood, hit Sigla Designs up. We're like unboxing this hood like in the yard. Like, dude, no one with a C8 in the world unboxes their hood in there. Look at, we don't even have green grass here. Grass. You pay for all new sod and irrigation probably for the cost of this hood.
Yeah.
But what's more important, Judah?
The grass isn't
the grass
isn't gonna get you ditched.
Dude, bro, this is insane. Is this sick or is this sick? So I got the carbon roof. So look it, I figured I gotta do a carbon hood because now it matches the roof. Dude, this is insane. What do you think, Matthews? 1 out of 10. What do you rate it?
I'm thinking that shit's like a 9.9.
A 9.9? What do you think, Cap?
Yeah, I'm a little underimpressed, you know, but
You're like, yeah, you should have got the nicer one, bro.
Yeah.
You should have upgraded it a little bit. I'm honestly a fraud, though. We got fake vents. They're not even real. I don't think I'm gonna be standing on this one. Don't tempt me, though. I might do it. Probably be fine, bro. Carbon fiber's strong. In the Crocs, do it. People would lose their shit. So my friend Hannah happened to see me at the gas station. No, actually, it's a random girl. See my car, you're like, hey, that's what the C8 does. I'm just kidding. But I figured we go for a quick rip. Might as well, you know. You gotta hold it. Better hold it tight.
Okay. Holy shit! Oh my god! Holy shit!
You're seeing it in its like final form. Like it's been like a little work in progress till tonight. It's literally finished. Are you ready?
Came at the right time. God damn.
Well, till next time I see you at the gas pump. Actually, I think I need to do an oil change in this soon.
Oh god, no.
I might
Not
need,
again.
I might need some assistance.
Literally not again.
Uber's here, bitch.
Never be that guy. Fender flares on your truck with no wheels. So I've been riding dirty since I rebuilt this. We're at Florida DMV in Tampa, Florida right now, getting this thing inspected because you gotta do that to get it rebuilt. What do you think?
Wow.
It was totaled before. It came a long way.
Okay. Yes.
Can I stick it on?
No, sir.
Okay, I just wanna make sure it's like, you know, pretty, not crooked.
Okay.
Because the last time we did it, it got all crooked. It is crooked. And it's got air bubbles in it. This guy's a piece of shit, dude. The bitch is like a half an inch off. So we're pulling up to the OG spot. When we bought this car, we said what's up, and we said we're gonna bring it back. So we're in Tampa because we just registered, so I figured we're gonna swing by and get some food at Atwater's best BBQ and soul food. Because I'll roll the clip, like to the guy, the last time we met him.
Own the restaurant, own my whole life, right here. You know what I'm saying? Rodwave, man. That's nephew.
Hey, give him the arm. Give him the arm.
Yeah. Do the arm, bro. We do it like we do it like chopper.
I ain't gon' say too much. When a nigga speaking on that high, the police cut them.
And when you get it finished, you gotta bring it back up here.
Hey, with Rod, I'll bring Rod by. Yo, what's good? You remember I told you I was gonna bring it back. I was scared that you weren't gonna be here.
Hey, Rodwave car, baby. We gonna get back, baby.
How you doing?
Boy, you did good.
Yeah, bro.
Everybody talking about it.
Really?
Bro,
How you doing?
Yes, sir. Yeah, they talking about it, boy.
Yeah, it came out really good. It took longer than I thought, but you know, it came out. I gotta give you a ride.
Yeah, we gonna ride. Yeah, Rod was at his dad's car wash. His dad opened up a car wash on 18.
Yeah?
And he was over there. He had about a Porsche. He got so many toys now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Hey, he's living big.
Yeah, he doing good.
Yeah, he's doing good. That's what's up.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
It's a little bit better than the music. Right? It sounds crazy. What up?
I'm the hottest thing on earth.
This
All I need is a sponsor.
Rodwave car, he brought it. He
Yeah.
fixed it back up.
I say all I need is a sponsor. I got the rawest. Hey, listen, I'm one of the hottest artists
Right
that
here.
just got out of
Yeah,
prison.
you on it?
Yeah, I'm gonna let you hear. I'm the hottest thing. Just got out of prison, bro. All I need is just somebody to. All I need is somebody to bite. Just play the first song and you'll see.
I don't know how to play this.
You got a chill?
Yeah, no, I don't got one in here. What'd you think?
Oh man, beautiful, bro. Yeah, it was nice, bro. Hey, listen. And when I was younger, I said, bro, let's go to the beach. We're gonna pull some pussy.
So we're back at the spot of the scene. There used to be bushes there, like they chopped them all down. That was the spot right there. You know, it's came a long way, man. Thing was busted.
Now it's busted.
We had to trade it. It was busted, now it's busting. What up, bro? Say what's up, say what's up. Hey, we're visiting the scene again. So a fan just DM'd me while we're in the area, and he's DM'd me in the past. I get to see that like he wanted a ride. So I just told him to send me his address. He doesn't know I'm coming. I literally just said, send your address. And he sent me the address. So we're gonna pull up and I don't know, give him a ride. You ask and you shall receive. It's like a setup, steals the car from us. I'm gonna say here. What's up? All right, I didn't tell him I'm coming. I just wanted to surprise him. He's in the shower. He's like jerking off. He's like, his parents like, Aiden, how's your day going?
Okay, he couldn't believe you even responded.
Now we're here.
Yeah, now you're here. My favorite YouTuber is actually coming.
That's sick. What's up, bro? How's it going?
Like
I've been watching you since you like first got that.
Really?
Yeah,
That's sick, yeah. But yeah, it's all done now. What do you think?
I love it. I
Yeah.
like the carbon hood. That's
Yeah, it came out so sick, yeah.
Go look at it.
Your breath.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you a ride.
Those are the wheels that came with it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get new ones once I would do the wide body though.
The wide body. When
Yeah.
did you get that one?
Well, the guy that makes it, TJHunt, he hasn't dropped it yet. Hasn't dropped, so.
HELLCAT giveaway. Like, when
You gonna enter?
I don't know. Like,
It ends August 16th. So if you buy anything from now to August 16th, you could win it. And then I'm gonna be just like this. I'm just gonna pull up to whoever's house that wins it. So it's gonna be sick. You thought I was gonna pull up or no?
I wasn't even expecting you to respond. This is like my dream car.
Me too. Well, it was. All right, you ready? You gotta hold this like at you when we do a launch.
Oh my god.
Just start that thing up. Damn. Alcantara and shit. All right, guys, so as you know, if you don't know, I'm giving away my personal 800 horsepower wide body HELLCAT, the one I'm sitting in right now. I've had this car for like a year and a half, but it's time to move on to bigger and better things. So we're only going up. So to go up, I gotta sell this. So instead of selling it, I decided I'm gonna give it to one of you that supports me. So all you gotta do is go on my website, buy a t-shirt, hoodie, mystery box, or you can buy just entries if you don't wanna buy any merch. But it's that simple. Someone that's gonna buy a t-shirt is gonna win this car. Not only are you gonna win it, but I'm gonna hand deliver it to your house. No matter where you live in the United States, I'm pulling up to your house. So the giveaway's already started, but it ends August 16th. So get entered. The link's in the bio, judasgarage.com. And also, if you order by tonight, 8 o'clock tonight on my Instagram story, I'm choosing the winner for this. Literally all you gotta do is order and you get entered for this and the HELLCAT. But this, there's not that many. But the Xbox, there's not that many people that enter because I started this giveaway literally like 2 days ago. So it's a quick giveaway. So your chances of winning this are really good. And also the chances of winning the car is honestly really good because I'm not huge like these other guys. We haven't even got 1,000 orders on my website yet. I mean, a 1 in 1,000 chance, I'll take that all day. And the only thing you're risking is buying a t-shirt. You can't beat that. Maybe I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you guys on the next video, but come August 16th, when the giveaway ends, I'm pulling up to your house firsthand and hand delivering this thing. So it's gonna be crazy. And God, that's gonna be a sick video. So stay tuned.